Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I made this amazing pie with apricots because they are in season and almond paste. They pair together perfectly and I start with the fruits. I have here 300 grams of apricots, 3 tablespoons of water and 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'll put sugar and water in one pot and on the stove let them to cook until sugar is dissolved. In the meantime, I'm washing the fruits, remove the pits, and I'm gonna chop them up in smaller pieces. I take that syrup off the stove after sugar dissolved and I'm gonna add fruits over and cook for about 15 minutes again on the stove until our mixture looks more or less like a jam, like this, and I'm gonna let this cool down. I'll start making the dough now and I need soft butter, a pinch of salt, flour, almond flour, yolks and powdered sugar, and you have the quantities on the screen and in description box. Over butter I will add a pinch of salt and I will start softening it with a mixer. I'll start adding now powdered sugar and I'm gonna end up in a sweet cloud, but I will incorporate all this sugar, make sure that it's really well mixed with soft butter at room temperature. Add egg yolks, add almond flour and the rest of the flour. Give it a good mix and make sure that the dough comes together. Press it down in your baking dish and keep the dish for about 30 minutes in the fridge. After that you can bake it in the oven at 350 Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let it cool down. For almond filling I need 200 grams of almond paste, 100 milliliters of milk, cream about 200 grams, lemon zest, almond extract and 1 gelatin leaf. First we need to hydrate the gelatin, so I'm gonna put it here in a water bowl, grate the lemon and heat up the milk. Break in smaller pieces almond paste and take the gelatin out of the water when it's nice and soft and put it over that warm milk and let it dissolve. And now you can pour the milk over that almond paste that I broke in smaller pieces. I use the immersion blender to mix everything together and transform this in a nice paste. Add almond extract over and lemon zest and give it a good mix with the spatula. Now this is the almond mixture, and I'm gonna let it aside, and I'm gonna whip that cream. I kept it in the fridge so it's nice and chill. I'm gonna pour it in another cup, and I'm gonna whip it. And I'm gonna mix it up with almond paste. I'll do it in 3 steps, folding in whipping cream in my almond paste. I don't wanna knock out all the air that I incorporated in the cream, so I'm doing this nice and slow and folding more than mixing. When the base of my cake cool down, I'm gonna add the apricot mixture over and spread it all over the surface in a nice even layer, and spread as well almond filling that we mixed up with whipping cream. We're not gonna bake this cake. I'm just gonna level everything on top of apricots. I will decorate it with fresh fruits that I'm slicing down, and also with some almonds. Keep it in the fridge for about 4 hours before you serve it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile. Bye bye.